And yeah, like that happened. Exploded, and all ball bearings in here and everywhere.
That's disgusting.
Nope. Who did the pedals?
Don't even move.
This one no move?
That one no move.
Yeah, no, this one no move.
Not meant to do that.
What happened?
Studs aren't done up tight enough.
No, they're definitely tired. I've talked them to spec.
Alright, your brake pad's not tight enough.
Turn the brakes off.
Oh, okay. You made it a front wheel drive and your diff turned off, so now the wheel doesn't want to be a wheel anymore.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Along the lines of.
Your
Close.
wheel bearing shot.
Yes.
Ah.
That is it. The wheel bearing is shot. Do it again.
Just negative camber, positive camber. Toe, toe. Fucked.
It's pretty fucked.
It's pretty screwed.
Alright, see, I've had a problem for a couple of weeks. Thought it was the diff. Search the diff. Wasn't the diff. Maybe it is the diff as well. But I've got a wheel bearing. Bearing. I'm American now. I've got a wheel bearing. Got some other shit. Yo, look what I got. I got a 46mm socket. I got a 40mm socket. That's a tongue twister. Say that.
A 46mm socket.
Say it 3 times.
46mm socket, 46mm socket, 46mm socket.
You're a fucking
Not 40mm 6 socket.
You're 40mm 6 socket. Look, it's the size of your fucking head. I bought this for the press to hopefully press the whole thing out because this is the same size. It's not the same size, but we're gonna try. It's solid too, man. Like, I reckon I can bust a degreaser can. No, I'm not gonna do it.
You're gonna bust me out.
Bust the nut. Hey, look. Hey. Yeah, do you want a smelly? They had 3 for $6. Which one do you want? You're not getting cotton candy. Do you want vanilla or watermelon?
Show me.
Vanilla or watermelon?
Show me. I'll take vanilla.
Colby.
Cool.
Do it. That was fucking shit.
You fucking shit. Mine was better.
Yeah, it was better. Yeah, I got cotton candy. I got super glue too.
Full.
To glue my indicator back on. Yeah, look, it's right here. I got my indicator. No, I need that. Can I has? So tonight, due to ASAP repairs, we're doing a wheel bearing. Remember we did them a while ago? Well, yeah, I got to do them again. We also did Carl's, remember that?
Is that one we had set fire to?
No, that was the bushing.
Those bushings.
Yeah, so, pretty easy. Not really. I gotta remember how to do it. So wheel off, whole hub off. That means, remember all the handbrake shoes bullshit, springs and bullshit gotta come off. Yeah, I know, remember that shit? So we're gonna take that off, and then we're gonna get the press out. And that's why I bought this. Because the bearing in here, hopefully the fucking, what's this called? That thing goes around, and it'll sit and push the whole thing. The socket, that's the one. Alright, so let's do it. Let's get started.
Okay.
Go fucking sprint. See you, bye. Adam, I just want to welcome you back to another episode of Project Drivo.
Okay.
Did you know an esophagus is also a walrus? Did you know that?
No.
Oh. Well, then, now you know.
What are you doing?
Taking the wheel off, bro.
Why?
But, why? That was very close.
Yes.
Oh, which way? How do you undo a wheel? fuck.
Yours just seems like it's going to fall off, so I don't even need to do anything.
On that hard before. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Well, it's not like Bunnings sausages.
I was wondering the same thing. Is there a Bunnings around here now?
Maybe. Don't touch the brake.
Don't touch the brake. Touch the brake. Yeah. Yeah, but it wasn't any more than 6 Auger Doogers.
Do you know what's cool? Like, it came with a new one. Hey, this is hot as fuck.
Well, you did literally just like park the car.
Oh, what the fuck's going on in there? Oh, is that grease? This is the only torch I can use. It smells like shit. That's a way you can... Burnt wheel bearing. You can smell it. It smells like fucking metal. Yeah, look at all the grease. What the fuck is that? Is that tie-dye?
Yeah, with grease.
Grease. Hang on.
Triple H with emphysema.
Got it. You can just chill there.
How are the coilover covers going?
Yeah. Good.
Doing their job?
Yeah. I hope. I don't need zip ties.
What are you doing?
You like what you said? It's hot.
Bruh.
Motherfucker. Oh, I need to get fucking bolts. Fuck.
That was just rude. Idiot.
I just want to sit down and do it. I keep fucking getting up.
Idiot.
Just having a little step free. Adam, what are you watching?
Peter Hoonigan.
Can you show the camera? Oh, look at that, mate. Hear the voice. So I'm chilling out, waiting for dinner, actually. Got it all out. Finally. Here is the hub. There's no light. Hold up. Thank you, Adam. I like your work, thank you. No, really, thank you. So this is the hub. I don't know if I'll be able to do it by hand. Yeah, she's moving a bit, if you can see that on cam. So, what we gotta do, yeah... I'm pretty sure we've got to take this off. Wait, do we? I can't remember. I think I'm going to just wait for food to come. It's not far away. Because my head not working. It's getting cold. I'm going to put another jumper on soon. My brain don't work.
No. My brain don't work either. I make sure it stays in with the beanie. If I take the beanie off, it's going to fall out my ears.
Don't fall out.
Oh no. Just going to press it out with our bare hands and then take the tool back.
Yep. Alright. So, with a bit of thinking food in my brain, I mean my belly, what we've got to do, so you've got the contraption here, right? You want to press it out this way. This bit will pop off. This bit will pop off. And the bearing's still in there, but because we're pressing it all out, the bearing will pop out with it. And then when you're putting it back in, you press the bearing in, and then you'd press this hub bit in. Science.
Okay.
I'm gonna do one of those. It's extremely not healthy. But fuck it, we're gonna do it anyway. Alright. Headaches, constantly, man. So we've pressed it out, we popped it out, yeah? And, yeah, like, that happened. Exploded, and all ball bearings in here and everywhere. Unfortunately, these are a bit of a prick to get off. I do have a second-hand one chilling now. It's got different style bearings. It's got circular, this one's got roller style. But this feels alright, well, obviously better than that. I'm going to clean this one up. It's very rusty. I'm going to clean this one up and we're going to put this one in, hopefully, if all goes well. Otherwise, I'm pretty fecked. pretty fecked, man. And what we're going to do now, let me get this light going. This is the bearing that I do have, and I noticed that it likes to move side to side, as you can see, which is not good. So we're going to press this one out too and put the new one in. Oh, I can put my finger inside the bearings. That's yuck. That's fucked.
Ew.
Oh, it's falling out.
Oh.
Like, I don't even need to press. I'll just do it with my hand. Yeah, I bent this to the shit house. Look at that. That's meant to be fucking straight, man. Bruh. It's a banana. Bruh. Fucked. Hopefully this works, man. If not, I'm fucked.
What did you do to this?
It got fucked.
It's been nuked. There's pieces in there.
Look at that. Looks like me after a Friday night.
What?
Look at that. Ball bearing cut in half. So we flattened that thing out as much as I could. We've got that thing ready. That socket that I used might work, that I bought, sorry, might just work. Hopefully it will. You've got this little split ring that's on the bottom of the hub, so it won't push out, but once you get that out, it'll push down. But yeah, I really hope this works.
Yeah, so balls went everywhere. That's disgusting.
Thing just fell apart.
It didn't even press.
No, just fell apart in there.
Hello, friend. It's the next day. Because nothing ever goes right here, does it? So, I let Blake explain, but we had a bearing problem. We couldn't get our bearings right, could we, Blake?
No, never right.
No. So, we still got all the mess from last night because, well, we got angry with the press and the bearing and nothing had happened. Yeah, so look, we got something new.
Ish.
Something old and something new from Bug-Eye Rexy. So what happened, Blake?
Alright, I'm in a bit of a rush now because I got to get this shit done, but what happened, that bearing was different. But that bearing was right, the new one. The old bearing was wrong. And because of the heat and whatnot, we couldn't get it out. Just couldn't get it out. There was some ways around it, but it was just easier getting a second-hand hub. Lucky I found one, lucky. So we just got to pull that one apart and put that one in. The bearing is better than that one by a fucking long shot. So we just got to do some more. I've had enough of this shit, bro. Kill me. I can't even find. Oh, you put all of that.
He has had enough of this shit, I'll tell you that much.
I'm fucking done, bro. I might quit the community and become a lawyer. Nah, not that.
Yeah, so we'll get this done as quick as possible, film as much as we can, show what we're doing. But yeah, she's been a big headache, so yeah, just want to get it done.
Just so it doesn't rust in there and get stuck. Remember how we had to fucking heat it up last time?
Yeah. On you go.
Alright. In there. Alright. Whew. One of the hard ones.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? So we've got the hub on, all the bolts are in, just got to go tighten all the bolts up. And then we're going to start on the handbrake shoes, which is So, wish me good luck, because I'm going to need it. Like, usually when you do a job, once you do it the first time, you can do it 1,000 times. With these, you got to do it like 1,000 times to do it once. I'm a fucking philosopher, bro. Come back here, boy.
Put that thing back where it came from.
What's around me? I'm doing losing it. I'm on the edge.
I'm on the edge. Nope. Did that break?
No. So we had to do some storage management in the phone, but look, all the handbrake was together. All these bolts are tight. I'm putting the caliper on now. Then we can tighten this thing, because if you try and tighten this thing without the handbrake on, it'll spin the whole thing. So I'm doing that. I'm surprised we got here in the end, man. Like last night, I was so cut. I was like, just nothing was working, Adam?
There was a lot of yelling and a lot of screaming, and the grinder and
The grinder did come out.
hacksaw and
Yeah. There was just shit going everywhere.
and as you can see over there, parts of bearing falling apart and.
Bro, that bearing was destroyed, man. But
In the end, I hope it gets rid of that noise you've had for a while.
dude, yeah, imagine I fix this and the noise was still there.
Yeah, then we have to tackle a diff. So let's hope it's just this.
Hopefully these go on, because these are new studs.
Oh
The
yeah.
threads feel pretty disgusting. But
Oh god. Oh no.
yeah.
Oh dear. After 10 minutes of struggling,
We got them.
we got them.
Hopefully.
Just made new threads.
Yeah. Don't do that.
It was
Don't
like
do
1,000 ooga-doogas.
Yeah. It's not too bad. If it was stupid bad, I wouldn't be able to take it off by hand.
Because it'd be stuck.
Sure. Alright. Alright. It's all back together. We had to put the car back on the ground. Take it for a test drive and see if we're going to do it all over again or not. Hopefully not. I'm not sure if the diff is actually gone or not, because we found out that that was a problem, but don't know if that was all the problem. So we're going to test drive it. Are you excited? I'm not. But yeah.
Making me move because he thinks I'm blocking the driveway. I'm not blocking the driveway. What is he talking about? Plenty of room.